Hey y'all, have you ever wondered why it's better to be kind than just nice? Today I'm gonna break it down for you. Let's dive right in. Now, being nice is all about politeness and good manners. Holding the door open, saying please and thank you. It's sweet, but it's kind of surface level, right? On the other hand, kindness goes a whole lot deeper. It's about genuine care and compassion for others. It's about doing things for people without expecting anything in return. So how can you show acts of kindness in your daily life? Here are some simple yet powerful ways. First up, listen. Really listen to what people have to say. Put down your phone, make eye contact, and show that you care about their feelings. Sometimes just being there for someone can make all the difference. Next, offer a helping hand. It could be something as small as helping someone carry their groceries, or as big as volunteering your time at a local charity. Acts of kindness don't have to be grand gestures. They can be tiny actions that brighten someone's day. Let's talk about kindness in our conversations. Compliment others genuinely. A simple, "You did a great job," or "You look amazing today," can lift someone's spirits. And remember, it costs nothing to be kind with your words. Now, why should you be kind to everyone? Here's the magic: kindness is contagious. When you show kindness, it inspires others to do the same. It creates a ripple effect, spreading positivity far and wide. Plus, being kind feels good. It boosts your mood, reduces stress, and even improves your health. But here's the kicker: kindness changes the world. Imagine a world where everyone is kind to one another. People would be more understanding, more patient, and more loving. It starts with one small act, and it grows from there. All right, let's wrap this up. Being nice is good, but being kind is better. So the next time you have a choice, choose kindness. Listen, help, compliment, and spread that kindness everywhere you go. Remember, y'all, it's the little things that make a big difference. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more inspiring content. Till next time, stay kind. www.painfulpurplepittyparty.com watermark text.